In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right My OneApp by Safaricom on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so you can install My OneApp either on Android smartphone or even on your iPhone. To do this, first I'll uninstall this app and then walk you through the steps. So for my case, I'm on an Android smartphone, so I'll go look for Google Play Store app. If you're on iPhone, look for App Store. I'll tap on Play Store, then log in with your Gmail account if you're on Android before you can search for your app. If you can't see the search bar here, you should see a search icon down below. Tap on it to activate search, and here search for My OneApp, just like that. And if I tap on search, you can see we have our app, My OneApp by Safaricom. Tap on it first to make sure that you have the right app. And here you should check the company. Make sure it is from Safaricom PLC, that is the company. And then other key statistics. Its rating, you can see it has a star rating of 4.5 with over 681,000 reviews. And at the time of recording this app had over 10 million downloads. And this data might have changed by the time you are watching this, and currently the app size is averagely 87 MBs. So if you see these details with this logo, this is the current logo, you will know that you have the right app. This app incorporates everything that is Safaricom services as well as M-Pesa services all in one app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of My OneApp and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed, open it from here. Or now if you go to your apps, now you should see we have our app here. Tap on it to open, and here is the welcoming interface. However, you will need to use your mobile data for you to log in. So I'll turn off my Wi-Fi data and turn on my mobile data, and then just tap on retry here. And now I should be able to get started. So tap on get started to log in. So that's how you can install the right My OneApp by Safaricom on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.